Hi folks, Mike from Kitchen Magic. So, you've partnered with Kitchen Magic to complete your kitchen transformation, and we're getting close to the install time. Let's go over some things that we might want to consider to make this a smooth process. Whether we're refacing or we're doing a new kitchen, we need to empty those cabinets. Good time to get that to purge, maybe get those excess 20 coffee mugs out and those plastic cups we've had around since 1978. Free up some space, make things a whole lot easier for us. But this is a construction zone, guys. So what we need to do is we need to have a staging area. Our craftsmen are gonna need a place to work, whether it's gonna be in the garage, out on the deck, outside somewhere. As a last resort, it would be inside. They're gonna have saws, they're gonna create noise and dust. So think about that. Also a staging area for product. If you're getting a new kitchen, we're gonna have all the cabinets. If it's just a refacing, we'll have the doors and we'll have trim molding and any of the other things we're doing, drawers, whatever. So we need a place for that to sit and for it to be out of the way but accessible to our craftsmen while we're there. Again, keeping in mind it's a construction zone, we have to think about our other family members, our four-legged family members. Those of us that have them, we know how they can want to get underfoot, and we want to keep that from happening as much as possible. So whether that's baby gates, barriers, crates, having somebody pet sit for you, what we suggest is in another room of the home, maybe the dining room or somewhere, set up a makeshift kitchen, you know? Have your coffee maker, your microwave, maybe your air fryer, your Ninja, whatever it is, already set up. As always, we'll have our list of our favorite takeout places, Uber Eats, in case we don't want to be messing with the microwave and doing all of that. One last thing I want to share with you is maybe when we're putting stuff back in the kitchen now. Now, this is the best time. Everything's out, guys. Think about the things you might have wanted to do before, but we had all the stuff in the kitchen. Shelf liners, a big one. Another one might be is, you know, with the sink base, where under the sink, you know, over time, sometimes we develop drips. Now you've got a beautifully refaced or a new kitchen. You know, you may want to consider one of those rubber mats that have the lips on it. They make them, some of them are custom, to put under there. So if at any point you have a little bit of a drip, it'll be caught within that rubber mat, and we're not pulling things out and ruining the base of our sink. That's it for now, guys. Just a couple tips and tricks. Hope that helps, and enjoy the transformation.